Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. Welcome to the new office. I know the lighting's not optimal, but we're getting there. Anyway, the most important thing at hand. Had a couple people reach out to me, and an old buddy of mine actually sent me some information that I figured I should probably pass along to you guys. For more of the experienced people, you guys will probably be able to spot this from a mile away, but there are some hardware scams going around, some Asics, and they don't math. And unfortunately, a friend of mine, well, he's a friend of a friend. A friend of mine wouldn't have made that mistake, but his buddy is a little bit newer to crypto. He made the mistake. He bought one of these. He can't get a refund on it now, so he's contacting his bank to report it as fraud because the device has not been shipped. The device is never going to be shipped because it doesn't exist. So let me click on over here and show you what I'm talking about. Where are we at? That's not it. Okay, well that's not it. We are live action fixing our display. There we go. Okay, all right. So we're fixed now. I have multiple monitors up nowadays. So, this gentleman bought one of these Bitmanu devices. I did a quick Google search, and it looks like there's articles being pushed out right now in the last couple days. This one was actually pushed out earlier today, and they're talking about how they can mine, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dash, Monero, and they make, the BM1 can make up to $4,000 a month. And if you go to the shop on here, a BM1 only costs $5,000. Let's learn more. It only burns 650 watts, and you can buy it now. And the first thing I'm going to tell you guys is, if you're new to crypto, if it's going to ROI in less than a year right now in this market, you're not going to be able to buy it. They're going to be sold out, and they're going to be price gouged. This is a scam, 100%. The BM2, it makes $7,000 a month, and it costs $7,000. It's a scam. The BM Pro could make up to $22,000 a month, and it only costs $18,000. No, it's all this is a scam. These articles are a scam. Yahoo Finance, I guess, who posted this article on here? I don't know how Yahoo Finance works, but somebody posted this about Bitmanu. But there's more articles going out about them, and yeah. If you go back and search on YouTube, it looks like they've been pushing these scams for a while. About 4 months ago, they were pushing these scams, and about a year ago, Bitmanu was pushing these scams. Look at this scam, and then that's the BM Pro. That was a year ago. So it looks like they greased some pockets. They paid for some new articles, and I guess, do you blame the people writing the articles? They're just given the information and they post it up. No way that they're actually going and looking at this, because they're like, New York, blah, 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 blah. Earning a quick return on investment is no longer a matter of concern for crypto mining enthusiasts. Bitmanu, a blockchain development company, is now offering 100% ROI within a month for all 3 Asic miners. Many users strongly believe that these are the most profitable mining hardware ever built. Yeah, nothing. You're not going to get an ROI in a month. You're not going to get an ROI in a year. Like, it just doesn't happen. So please don't fall for this. I know 99% of the people that are watching this video, like OGs, jellyfish, you guys wouldn't fall for this. There's no way possible. Just know that if anything makes significant good money in crypto, it's always going to be sold out. And the fact that you can buy these, that should be proof in the pudding. But yeah, that's pretty much how the cookie crumbles. Bitmanu, probably don't even want to go to this website. Sketchy website. Well, they have a video.
Opportunity or home business. Bitmanu products are the right choice.
Bitmanu
is one of the earliest companies in this market, the ore mining industry. Consumption needless.
Yeah, I was trying to actually find somebody with an actual device on here, and it didn't. Oh, almost banned again. It didn't look like anybody actually had one because they don't exist. A year ago, this is he's like, does it exist? It doesn't exist, buddy. Nope, it's fake. So yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Keeping it short and sweet for tonight. Hope everybody's having a great one. I guess we can take a look at the crypto prices on old coin market cap before we get off here. Just trying to get back in that groove. We have Bitcoin at $26,399, Ethereum at $1,723, XRP 49 cents, Dogecoin 6.1 cents, Litecoin $77.15. What else do we have? Monero, $137.25, and Ethereum Classic at $15.21. So, yeah, like not a whole lot of great. There's a lot of red on the board, but you know, that's how the cookie crumbles sometimes, ladies and gentlemen. So, hopefully I will have some more office done here in the next couple days. I have some downtime. It looks like it's going to rain, so all my construction work's going to get put on hold, and I'll be able to work on the house a little bit. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Stay vigilant.